First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold one side, then fold the other halfway, just enough so they touch. Next, you're going to take the side of the opposite fold and fold that down, just enough so you can see it. Next, you're going to take the opposite side of where you folded it down and bend them to tiny triangles just enough so the tips touch. Next, you're going to take the bottom and simply fold it up. Next, you're going to pull it back down and then separate the sides from when they were folded in. That should make a crease so you can fold it up into a bigger square. Now you're going to fold that back down and pinch the corners from where you folded them and push it back up. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold it up just underneath the collar. Now you're going to tuck it underneath to hold it in place.